uplifting anthem that blends the energetic rhythms with the mood of melodies designed to resonate universally. Stepping out into the dawn's first light, leaving shadows of the night behind. Heartbeats sync with the rising sun on this journey that's just begun. Every step, a story unfolds, paths uncharted, brave and bold. With the wind, we're running free, chasing dreams and destiny. Oh, we're chasing horizons, with the fire in our eyes. No looking back, no compromise, underneath these open skies. Mountains high and valleys low, through the storm and through the cold. Hand in hand, we face the unknown, together we're never alone. Every mile, a lesson learned, with every corner, a new turn.